It's only fitting a town known as the Magnolia capital of Oklahoma has a cafe named for that fame.
We do classic home cooking, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
The Magnolia Cafe offers home cooking at its finest. I mean the kind of food Grandma makes, Southern comfort food.
The chicken fried chicken is exceptional and I love it. And we do a classic buttermilk breaded and pan-fried fried chicken. Comes with country gravy, mashed potatoes, vegetable of the day.
And the chicken fried steak is oh so good too. The gravy, creamy and delicious. If you're a burger lover, sink your teeth into this, cooked just the way you like it.
Made with love. Made with love. Good classic home cooking like Grandma made, a little more flair.
We love that breakfast is served all day, so you can start your day or end it with this sweet and scrumptious Belgian waffle. They've got savory covered too if you'd rather belly up to eggs. They've found the recipe for success, and customers leave here happy.
Why? Because I like the people and they are friendly and they got good service, good food, and just good.
I love this restaurant. We started coming to Magnolia when it first opened. The food is delicious. I've never ordered anything that wasn't any good, me or my husband, so it's worth a try.
Be sure to save room for dessert. If you've got a sweet tooth, it's going to be a tough decision. The dessert case is a little slice of heaven.
We always offer cakes and pies, they kind of rotate. We always have banana pudding on the menu. I love banana pudding, so we always have that available. We do a great Italian cream cake, a berry cheesecake. We have a chocolate cake as well. We always have a pecan and apple pie. Pecan pie, this is a southern restaurant, you gotta have pecan pie.
Delicious food and top-notch customer service. You'll feel right at home. Sal hopes she'll stop in to the Magnolia Cafe.
It's befitting that if you're gonna come to the city of Magnolias, you eat at the Magnolia Cafe. And we specialize in great friendly family service and great food. And I think we represent the city of Durant very well. And we'd love to have anyone from the state to come in. We love being in Oklahoma. We love Oklahomans to come in. And if you're in Texoma, you come stop by and see us. I think you'll enjoy yourself.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, everything fresh, made from scratch. In Durant, I'm Tina McGarry, Discovering Oklahoma.